Hello friends, so in today's video we would be discussing about Square 2.0. Our agenda for today's video is what is a square? Friends, I have clearly explained this step in our previous video which is Square 1.0. If you have not yet watched that video, I have provided a link in our description box, so please click on it and watch it friends. In that video, I have clearly explained how to find the square of a two-digit number in just 10 seconds. So in today's video, we will be discussing about how to find the square of a three-digit number in just 10 seconds. And then we would be learning some tips simplified. Also, at last, we would apply our learnings. Let's try. Can you solve 123 square in just 10 seconds? Your time starts now, friends. If anybody got the right answer, then please do comment below in the comment box, friends. Time's up, friends. So the answer is 15,129. Was it possible to do it in just 10 seconds? How could we do it? We have already uploaded a video for two-digit square. For three-digit square, we follow the similar steps with just one difference. Tips to remember for finding the square of a three-digit number. Find the value of 143 square. First, we have to identify the base number. Friends, if you have watched my previous video, I've already explained how to find the base number for a two-digit number. For example, let's consider a question, find the value of 43 square. For this, the base numbers would have been 4, 3, right? But it is not the same case when it comes in terms of a three-digit number. So for the three-digit number, we have to write the last digit as a separate number and the remaining two as a separate number. Right, friends? So the base number for our given question would be 14, 3. And then as per our first step, we have to square each base number separately. So 14 square is 196 and 3 square is 09. Again, you have to add a 0 in the prefix because when we square a number, we always want to have a two-digit number. And then our second step, we multiply the base number into 2. So base numbers are 14, 3. So 14 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 84. And then our third step is we add the results as follow. We write 19609 as it is, and then we always have to add a 0 in the ones place. That is a very important trick, so please do not forget it. And then we just substitute the 84 in the hundreds and the 10th place, and we add these to equation, which is equal to 20449. So 143 square is equal to 20,449. Now let's move on to our next question. Find the value of 267 square. Again, the base numbers of 267 is, we write the last digit as a separate number and then the remaining two as a separate number. So our base numbers are 26, 7. And then as per our first step, we square each base number separately. So 26 square is equal to 676 and 7 square would be 49. And then our second step is we have to multiply the base numbers into 2. So 26 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 is equal to 364. This 2 is coming from the square number which is in the bar. So 26 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 is equal to 364. And then our third step would be we add the results as follows. 67649 is written as it is, and again we have to add a 0 in the ones place, and then we just substitute these value. And then we add those two equations, and then we get the answer is 71289. So the square of 267 square is equal to 71289. Thank you, friends. Have a great day. If you like our video, please do subscribe to Chutti Mithran channel and press the bell icon to get immediate notification on our new videos. Please do like, share your valuable comments in the comment box below. Thank you and have a great day, friends.